Welcome everyone. I am Nishan Hajra, Assistant Professor of NS College of Pharmacy. Today I am going to discuss about the topic acid-base titration. So before going to discussion about the titration, first of all we have to understand what is acid and what is base. So we can define the acid and base by three theory or three concepts, that is Arrhenius concept, Bonsted-Lowry concept and Lewis concept. So according to the Arrhenius theory, acid is a type of substance which produce the H plus ion. Like HCl, HCl is divided into H plus and Cl minus ion. So it produces the H plus ion. So according to the Arrhenius theory, HCl is an acid. Also we can say H2SO4 is an acid because H2SO4 is divided into 2H plus or SO4 2 minus. Okay, so H2SO4 is also an acid and base is the types of substance which produce the OH minus ion. Like NaOH, sodium hydroxide, it produces the OH minus ion when it divides, so it is a base. Next one is the Bonsted-Lowry theory. According to the Bonsted-Lowry theory, the acid is the types of substance which donate the proton and base is the types of substance which accept the proton. And according to the Lewis theory, the acid is a types of substance which accept the lone pair and base is a types of substance which donate the lone pair. Now we going to the main topic, that is titration. Titration is basically is the process to determine the unknown concentration of the acid or base. In case of acid-base titration, we can determine the unknown concentration of acid or base in the substance. Now the indicator here in acid-base titration mainly we use the methyl OH and another types of indicator like potassium permanganate, it acts as a self indicator. Also methyl OH, it is used mainly for acid-base titration, etc. Now the procedure, that means how we perform the acid-base titration. In acid-base titration, we generally need the burette, the conical flask, a pipette and a dropper. Suppose we try to determine the unknown concentration of acid. Okay, so in burette we transfer the base, that is sodium hydroxide. We use the sodium hydroxide as a titrant, and in a conical flask we transfer the HCl through pipette, and in the conical flask we dropwise add the methyl OH which act as an indicator. Okay, and we close the knob or we open the knob and the sodium hydroxide which is titrate is dropwise added to this conical flask HCl. So after some time we can see that the color change is very slow, and after the certain point by adding the one drop the color change is constant. That means after addition of another drop the color doesn't change. We measure the point or we write down the point where the color is not changing anymore, and this process is continue 3 times, and after calculating the average we can find a value. And here we can see in the acid-base titration main reaction occur between the strong acid like HCl and strong base, that is NaOH. When HCl and NaOH mix with each other, it produces the salt, that is NaCl, and also produce the water. And here from the equation M1 V1 and M2 V2 we can calculate the unknown concentration of acid. Here M1 is the molecular weight of the base, V2 is the molecular weight of or volume of the base, and M2 is the molecular weight of the acid, and V2 is the volume of the base. So in this equation we can calculate the unknown concentration of acid by performing the acid-base titration. Thank you.